This is our first video, and we're gonna make
our first part, which we're gonna make mac and puppies.
We're gonna make mac and puppies, and it's a fun share
and cheesy
cheddar.
We have the mac and puppy box pile. This, that.
What is that? What is this? What is this?
This
What
is
is
the
that?
thing that makes it really cheesy.
Okay.
We have mozzarella cheese.
Okay.
That's mozzarella cheese, taco cheese, butter, and plain milk.
Okay.
And our pot.
Okay,
we
awesome.
have
You
our
want to start
mac
it?
and puppies and
And now let's start.
Turn it till it clicks.
turn it till it clicks.
And then turn on
When?
6. There you go. That's good. That's good.
Oh, my brother. And we have our mac and puppies.
Now we're going to wait till this boils, right? And then we'll drop it. All right.
And we start, and we're gonna go and wait till it boils, and then we're gonna start part 2.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's part 2 of the video.
It's twin.
And I have this wooden spoon now because I'm getting a spoon. Because we're gonna make this
Mac and
Okay.
mac and
So the
puppies.
water is boiling.
And we're about to pour it.
Okay.
Yep. So let's pour it.
Pour it in.
pour it.
All right. Now we need,
All of it's
now
poured.
we need to give it a little stir.
Yep.
All
And
right. Where does the box go, Liam?
So the box, we're putting it in the vat.
That's right.
So now
A good cook cleans up after himself. Good. Give it a good stir, Lila.
got it.
Good stir.
I've been cooking for.
Then what we want to do, not leave the fire alone, Liam. We want to pour in a little bit of oil to keep the pot from boiling over.
Let's pour in some oil.
I'm gonna pour
Pour
in
in
the
some
oil.
oil.
She's good. That's good. That's good. All right, mix it up real good, Lila.
Is oil good
good.
for you?
Hey guys, it's part 3, and today,
And we're ready.
and we're ready to pour the butter, the
This is
cheese,
done.
the mozzarella cheese, and the mixed cheese, and the milk.
All right, what goes next? What do we need to do?
And then
First
after
we turn
we
off
do
this.
that,
That's right.
we pour it in here.
Turn it all the way till it goes off. There we go.
And
Perfect.
now we're
So
pouring.
All
now,
right, hold on, no. We got to strain the pasta.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and now we're pouring it.
Careful. No, Liam. Grab it by the handle.
We're
Handle.
doing a
Not-
video.
okay, hold on.
We're doing a
Daddy will
cooking
do this
video
part.
that we're gonna.
Okay, and now we poured that in. So now does this go first?
No, butter goes first. Stop. Butter goes first, Liam. You need to wait. All right, Lila, put all the butter in there.
And now we're putting. So
There we go.
now
We're still learning.
that's done.
All right, now you gotta mix it up. Hold on, no. Mix it up, Lila.
I'm mixing.
Yeah, watch out, Liam. Mix it up.
This is not hard.
Yeah, once it melts, then we can pour in the cheese powder. Mix.
Oh, those puppy noodles.
That's right. What kind of puppy noodles?
Macaroni puppy noodles.
Okay, awesome. All right, now we're all melted. All right, now Lila, you keep stirring. Lila, you keep stirring. As you're stirring, Liam, you're gonna pour in the powder.
Okay, so now we're pouring in the powder.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be really.
Lila, you keep stirring. There you go. Keep stirring.
Ah,
Don't touch the pan. The pan is hot, baby. Never touch the pan. Only the handle.
All the
Keep stirring.
mixture is on the back of the
Harder, Lila.
spoon.
Harder, baby.
I'm mixing
Use
this.
your girl strength. Don't touch the pan. Touch the handle, please. Thank you. So go ahead and pour the milk back in. That's good. We're going to turn the fire back on.
Yep.
Just low. All right, now we got to mix some more. Mix
Can I
all
do
that. Yep, go, Lila, mix. Just touch the handle. Grab the handle.
now-
Thank you. And mix good. Now,
We can pour.
as that mixed together, Liam, you can dump the cheese in while Lila continues to stir. There we go.
And this is gonna be the most delicious mac and cheese. It already looks so yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna have
Keep stirring
some?
until that cheese is all stringy and melty and cheesy. Keep stirring.
My hand is really
All right,
tired.
let's let Liam stir for a second.
Oh,
Okay?
thank you, Liam. Dun, dun, dun.
All right, we're ready here.
Taste test it?
Yeah, we're gonna taste test it. Hold on.
Let's see how it tastes.
What do you think?
So
Sarah?
good.
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Definitely thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. This is, we made the and then this is the bonus content. Bonus content. We try to trace down the big brother who doesn't like macaroni and cheese. Have a bite, Cooper!